Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see how to use your laptop and the Sinamics starter software to communicate with the Sinamics G120 low voltage drives of Siemens to know the procedure of communicating through your laptop to these Sinamics G120 drives. First of all, you need to understand what is the communication interface that these drives are having. So as you can see, this is the control unit of the drive. This is called the CU. This is the control unit of the drive, and behind this is the power module. This is called PM. So this is the power module, and the control unit is mounted above this power module. Now see, as you can see, this is the communication port that the G120 drive is having. This is basically a USB 2 communication port. See, this is the port. The USB symbol is already there, and this is the USB 2 port. This is the port that is used in the old hard disks, which were having the USB 2 interface. Nowadays the hard disks are coming up with this USB 3 interface, but the old hard disks that were having this USB 2 interface, that same interface is provided here. So for communicating with this communication port, you need to have this USB 2 cable. See, this is the cable. I will show you. This is the USB 2 cable, and see, this is the port, the USB 2 cable. This is the end that is going to be connected to the port that is provided in the control unit. This will go here. This end will be connected to this port. Okay, so the other end is like this. This is the standard USB connector. All the laptops are having this interface. So next we are going to see how to, after connecting this cable, how to use the starter software to read this control unit, and also if required you can change the parameters, take backups, then download your backup to your control unit. So next we will have a look at the Sinamics starter software. So next we are going to open the Sinamics starter software. As you can see, this is the Sinamics starter software. I am going to open it, and before that I have connected my USB cable. See, this is the USB port. I have connected my USB cable to the control unit of the drive in the same port that I have explained before. In the same port I have connected the USB 2 cable. Now see, the the Sinamics starter software has opened, and see, this pop-up, you don't need to do anything, just cancel it. These pop-ups you just cancel, and see, there is a project being opened which was previously created. So I don't need this project right now, so let me close this project. Oh sorry, I have closed the program. Cancel. You just have to close it here. Yeah, it's got closed. Now let me open a new project. Yeah, one thing, before opening the project you need to set the communication interface in the software. What communication interface you are going to use, that you have to set in the software. You see, for this you have to go to the set PGPC interface, It's there. And see, now right now I am going to use this USB interface. So this USB S7, this USB S7 you need to select and just click OK. So that interface has been selected. Now you can open a new project. See here, the file location is being shown here. You can change it as well. You can save it in any location you want. Like you see here, let me save it in another directory so that I can find it easily later when I require it. Let me select some other location. Okay, let me select this. Then yeah, so in the D drive I have selected a new storage location, and let me give a name to this project. Say just I am giving the tag number of this particular drive, and let me see, this project has been created. This project has been created, and now what you have to do, you have to read the content of this drive. You have to communicate with this drive control unit. And how you have to communicate, you have to go to this. See, there is a icon, accessible nodes. So you have to click this icon, accessible nodes, and it will search for the drive units that are available for connecting. So see, one drive has been found here. See, this is the accessible node, but that control unit, it is being shown here. You can see. Now you have to just select it and accept it. Yeah, see, there is a message here, you can understand it. Yeah, close it. Then so close it. Then what you have to do, select target device. Okay, connect to selected target device. Here you will find it. You just have to connect it. And see, there is a message here, the drive unit has been connected in online mode. This is the online mode notification, and the message is what message is shown here. This, see, the blue part is the offline configuration, which is not yet configured. That's why this message is coming as not configured. And the yellow part is the online, whatever configuration is there in the control unit of the drive currently, that it is showing here. So see, as I have not read the contents of the control unit to my laptop, so this offline, there is no configuration in offline mode. So what I have to do, you have to load hardware configuration to PG. Now this PG means your laptop. Just remember this PG means your laptop. So if you remember like that, you will find it much easier. So load hardware configuration to PG. So it's being loaded now. Close it. Now what you have to do next, you have to select target device. Just a minute. See, this is the icon, load project to PG. Now you have to select this, load project to PG. See, one thing you have to see, this is the download icon, download project to target system. Never do download unless it is required. If you perform this download option, if you perform this download feature, then what the laptop will do, the entire content what is there in the laptop, it will be transferred to the drive control unit. So that we don't want right now. What we want, we just want to load the content of the control unit to our laptop. So that's the meaning of load project to PG. PG means laptop. So select this. See, the data will be loaded to the PG. Do you want to start the loading operation? Yes, definitely. So this is being loaded. It will take a few minutes. It's getting loaded. Yeah, see, the data has been successfully loaded to the PG. Okay, now the file is ready for your use. Now for having a look at the different parameters, you can go to the control unit and you can go to the expert list. You see here, go to the expert list. The parameter list has popped up. So here you can see, you can go to any parameter you want, or as you are right now in the online mode, see, this online mode is appearing here. So you are directly accessing the control unit of the drive. So you can change any parameter you want here, whatever parameter is editable. You can change, and if you change here, it will be directly changed in the control unit of the drive. One thing you have to remember, that if you make any changes in online mode, the changes will be there in the volatile memory of the control unit, that means the RAM. And if you want to save it in the permanent memory of the control unit, that is the ROM, you have to perform this. See, there is an option called copy RAM to ROM. Here you can see this one, copy RAM to ROM. So to save the parameter, whatever changes you made to the parameter, if you want to save it permanently to its non-volatile memory, then you have to perform this task, copy RAM to ROM. So remember this. Otherwise, if you do not perform this, then the parameter, whatever changes you made to the parameter, will be there in the volatile memory, in the RAM, and as soon as the control power of that particular control unit is shut down, when you restart it, that parameter will be erased, and it will be going back with whatever parameter was there previously in its ROM, in its permanent memory. So always make sure that after making any changes to parameter in online mode, you perform this copy RAM to ROM operation. Okay, so here the program, the control unit program has been loaded. You can see different sections like this. You can go to the input output section and you will see, you will find the input output program. of the control unit. See, here you can configure, you can change, then you have to perform copy RAM to ROM. It's done. Then next, if you want to see the fault, alarm, all those things, then you can go to this diagnostics overview. Here there is no current alarm, is there. And if you want to see the old alarms or faults history, you can go to this particular section and you can click here. See, this list will be populated. Here, see, there is a fault, this 7801 motor overcurrent. This fault is logged here. So you can see here. If you want to have print PDF version of this logs, then you can go here, print, then you can print it as save as a PDF, and you can use it wherever you want. Next is we'll see how to take backup of this particular program, so that this backup can be used whenever you need to restore some particular drive to its original state. Like if you want to replace the control unit, then you need to load the previous program, then you can download the backup to the control unit. For taking backup, there are two ways basically. One way is that this project, wherever you are saving this project, see, at the starting of this video I have shown you how to create the project. I have created a project directory here in my D drive. This is the VFD 836. This is the project directory I have created. Now whatever file is there inside this directory, this is the entire starter file is there. So if you use this file, if you transfer this file to some other laptop, or you make a zip file of this particular directory and send it to someone through email or anything, then this particular folder itself can be used as a backup. So that is one way of doing. And the next way of doing is that you can go to this particular archive. It is not highlighted right now, this archive option, because I am in the online mode. I have to disconnect this drive. I have to go offline, then I can take backup. So before that, let me save this file and let me disconnect it. See, this is the disconnect icon, disconnect from target system. You just click on it and it will be disconnected. The laptop is now disconnected. The starter software is now disconnected from the control unit. See, this is the status. See, this is showing offline mode. See, now you can see, if you go here, this archive option will be highlighted. See, this one. This is the archive option which is highlighted right now. So you can click on archive and one file will be generated. You can browse it to save anywhere you like. So let me keep it as it is. And if you save this file, you see there is a zip file that is being created. If you save this file, then this file itself can be used as a backup. And how to retrieve this file? Just go to project and see retrieve from archive. See, there is an option retrieve from archive. If you retrieve from archive, then again they will ask for the file, and you can browse that particular file and you can select it and then you can retrieve it. So this is another way of using this backup program.